Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and I'm using the LSP Rainbow Overlay collection for Photoshop. This beautiful image here is by Anna Brandt and I'm going to be demonstrating the rainbow wrap paint. You have two options here, fine or chunky. I think I'm going to use fine for this one. This is a really great and subtle way to honour a rainbow baby for your clients. It has little instruction boxes that pop up using free transform. Move the and resize the rainbow here, so I'm just going to position this over the wrap, over any of the areas I want to cover, and bring it in. I'm going to right click warp and just bring this in a little bit more, just to kind of shape the wrap a little bit, and hit enter. Once the action has played out, you will get another little instruction box pop up to say using a white brush, gently paint this on. My brush is set to 100% opacity, 15% flow, and I'm just lightly brushing this over the area I wanted to show on. If you make a mistake and go over the edges, simply switch here to a black brush and use this to really kind of erase back off any areas you don't want it to show or blend in further. For example here, this is all coming off the hat there. So that's before and after. There are other layers here if you want them intensify. You can deflect the pattern, which is changing the way the pattern goes. So for example, you can add in a little bit more colour here, break it up a little bit if needed. You can darken, brighten and deepen if you're going over whites. This image is by Anna Brandt and that is using the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Overlay Collection for Photoshop, available at www.lsp-actions.com.